Good morning. Thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about handmade wooden plant holder for gardening. In this video, we are going to show you some idea that will inspire you. So let's get started. If you are an avid gardener and you know the importance of having a design space for your plant thrives, one great way to create a functional and the stylish space for your greenery is to build a do it by yourself wood planter holder. This project, perfect for beginner and can be completed in just a few hours. In this video, we will go over the material you will need and the step to create your own plant holder. First of all, we will go through a material that you need. First one is you need a wood board. Second one is a saw. Third one is a measurement tapes. Fourth one a wood glue. Fifth one a screws. Seventh one a drill. And eighth one a sandpaper for smooth edges. And the eighth one is stain or paint. It's an optional you can use and you cannot use. The very first step is to measure and cut the board to the desired size of your plant holder. We suggested using 1 by 6 or 8 by 1 by 8 boards, which are readily available at most hardware stores. You will want to measure the length and width of your pot and the planter to determine the size of your plant holder. For example, if your pot are 6 inches in a diameter, you will want to cut the board to the length of at least 6 inches. Once you have your measurement, use a saw to cut the board to the desired length. You will need 4 boards for each plant holder, 2 long boards for the sides, and the 2 short boards for the front and the back. After cutting the board, it's important to sand them to smooth out any rough edges or the splinters. Use sandpaper to sand all sides of each board until they are smooth to the touch. Next time to assemble the plant holder being by applying a wood glue to the ends of the shorter board and attach them to the longer board to form a rectangular frame. Use clamp to hold the board in a place while the glue dries. Once the glue has dried, use screw and the drill secure the board together. We suggested using the least 2 screws on each corner to ensure the plant holder is sturdy enough to hold your pots. Once your plant holder is assembled, you can choose to add a finish to enhance its appearance and protect the wood, and you can use a stain or paint to add color and protect the wood from moisture. If you choose to stain the wood, apply the stain with the brush or the cloth. Following the manufacturer instruction, allow the stains to dry completely before adding any plant to the holder. After your plant holder has dried completely, it's time to add your plant. Place your pot and the planter inside the holder and arrange them as desired. You can also add decorative rocks, moss around the plant to add an extra touch of styles and beauty. Creating your own do it by yourself plant holder is a great way to add a touch of nature to your home gardening. With this, a few simple material and some basic tools, you can create a functional and the stylish space for your plant and the trees. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced do it by yourself enthusiast, this project is sure to be fun and the rewarding experience. So why not giving it a try and see what you can create. There are numerous benefits to building and using a do-it-by-yourself wooden plant holder for gardening, and here are just few advantages. One of the primary benefits of do-it-by-yourself wood plant holder is that it can help to optimize your space. By using holders, you can stack multiple plants vertically, which allow you to use space more effectively. And this is especially beneficial if you have a small balcony or patio and want to maximize the amount of greenery you can have in a limited area. Do it by yourself wood plant holder can also add an element of style and the aesthetic appeal to your garden or living space. Wood has a natural and the warm feel that can create a cozy and the inviting atmosphere. You can customize the plant holder appearance by staining or painting it to match your personal style and the decor. A plant holder also add a layer of protection to your plant by elevating them off around, and you reduce the risk of damage from pests or weeds. Additionally, the holder design can provide protection against harsh weather conditions such as strong wind or the heavy rain. A plant holder can also be make maintaining your plants easier because the plant has elevated its areas easier to water and fertilize them without having a bend down or get more hand and knees. Additionally, the wooden plant holder can be designed can help to prevent soil from spilling out and creating a mess. Another benefit of do it by yourself wood plant holder is that you can make gardening more accessible for those with physical limitation. By elevating the plant, it reduces the amount of bending and kneeling required, making it easier to people with ability issue enjoying garden. In summary, do it by yourself wood plant holder is a simple and the practical solution for gardening enthusiasts who want to optimize their space, enhance their garden aesthetic appeal, protect their plant, and make maintenance easier. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, this project can be a fun and rewarding way to elevate your greenery and create a functional and stylish space. Here we are going to show you some idea that will inspire you. So let's